I know. What are you doing? This is why none of Mommy's clothes are folded anymore in the drawers. What are you doing? You're doing really good at walking though, huh? Those feet going. Trying to open that one up there. It's kind of high. You're not tall enough yet. I'm sure soon you will be. Yeah. Hi.